In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a business tracker in Airtable. We'll set up a simple, effective operations tracker that keeps tasks, owners, deadlines, and recurring processes in one place. First, log into Airtable, click the Create button, choose Start from Scratch, select Base and name it Business Operations Tracker. This base will serve as your central operations system, the source of truth for day-to-day work. Both rename Table 1 to Operations. This table is where every task and process will live, making it easy to scan, filter, and report. Now add the essential fields. Create task name as a single-line text field for the title of the work. Add department as a single select to indicate the business function. Add owner as a collaborator field to assign responsibility. Create status as a single select for progress. And priority as a single select for urgency. Add due date as a date field for deadlines. Add frequency as a single select to mark whether it's one-time or recurring. Finally, add notes as long text for details, context, and links. Configure your single select options so your team speaks the same language. For status, include backlog, in progress, waiting, and completed. For priority, set low, medium, high, and critical. For frequency, use one-time, daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. For department, include operations, marketing, sales, finance, customer support, and admin. Consistent options and clear colors make the tracker easier to scan. Enter real operational tasks to seed the system. Things like weekly operations review, process payroll, invoice clients, update SOPs, and review customer support tickets. Using real examples ensures the tracker is useful immediately. Create a Kanban view by adding a new view, choosing Kanban, and grouping by status. You can drag cards to move work forward and see bottlenecks. Quick note, I've placed a link to Airtable at the top of the description so you can sign up on the website or download the apps. Add a calendar view next, using due date. This makes deadlines and workload distribution visible, which helps with capacity planning. Create a My Tasks grid view with filters so it becomes your daily dashboard. Set the owner filter to yourself and the status filter to is not completed. Now you'll see only what you need to move. Maintain the tracker with light discipline. Update statuses daily, review overdue tasks weekly, clean up completed tasks monthly, and adjust priorities during planning sessions. Small, consistent updates keep the system trustworthy. That's it. Your business operations tracker in Airtable is ready to use. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more builds, and thanks for watching.